How to use Easy Control. Slide down Interface and tap Bluetooth icon to enter settings. Tap to enter connected devices. Tap Pair New Device. To switch on Easy Control, long press these two buttons at the same time. Tap Easy Control to bind. Now Easy Control has been successfully connected. Tap Menu. Tap Applications. Tap Easy Control. You can see that optional function 1 stands for Import Guidance Line. To create AB guidance line, press this button to set point A. If you want to cancel point A, you can press this button. To set point B, press the same button again. To save the guidance line, press this button to confirm. To import guidance line, press this button on Easy Control. To start auto steer mode, press this big blue button on the top of Easy Control. To start recording your work, press this button on Easy Control. To pause auto steer mode, press this big blue button again. To pause recording, press this button again. To check if Easy Control is connected, tap to see Bluetooth state. Tap Menu. Tap Applications. Tap Easy Control to see the state of Easy Control.